babe, what you making?
Oh, I'm making pizza dough, but this time I'm making it gluten-free with cauliflower.
Cauliflower, no!
Tom, are you okay?
You know, some of us just can't do cauliflower or broccoli. The sight of either of those vegetables makes me cringe. I've never eaten either one of them. That's probably why I've been insulin dependent since I was 30, and now I've been totally off the gluten. Hi everybody, Tom here with Happy Healthy People. And if you are like me who loves pizza and who doesn't, but you have to lay off the gluten and don't particularly like these new frozen cauliflower crust pizzas, I found a great crust for y'all to try. This is the Schar gluten-free pizza crust. Now these are the type of crusts you get off the shelf rather than the freezer, similar to the Boboli type crusts, except these you find in the gluten-free section. They come 2 crusts to a pack, and at $7.29 per pack at the time of this video, they are very reasonably priced for a gluten-free item. Schar really got it right with these crusts. They taste great for a gluten-free alternative, not bland, and don't fall apart like some other gluten-free bread alternatives. At around 10 inches across, they are small enough to make a personal pizza or big enough to share with one other person. Size is similar to the average frozen pizza, which is why 2 crusts are included. There's not much to making a pizza with these crusts. You can simply follow the directions on the box and be fine. But the crusts are a bit soft if you do it that way, so I'm gonna tell you how we do it here at HHP. First, get yourself one of these. These crisping pans do help to get the crust ever so slightly crisp. Keep the oven temperature at 410 degrees as recommended on the box, and make your pizza the way you like it. Schar recommends baking the pizza for 8 to 10 minutes. That's fine, but we like our pizza a bit crispy, so 12 to 14 minutes works best with the crisping pan. I don't make my pizzas too complicated, just good old pepperoni. If you like plain old pepperoni pizza, we recommend these Hormel or Applegate pepperonis. Both are nitrate free. Remember, nitrates and nitrites when heated cause a chemical to be produced called nitrosamine, which is cancer causing. So use the clean stuff. We use the cleanest pizza sauce we can find, a standard bag of mozzarella, the clean pepperoni, and bada bing, bada boom, we got us a gluten-free pizza made at home. If you choose to go with these crusts, just check the ingredients to make sure there is nothing else in them that you may be allergic to. If you can't find them in your local supermarket in their gluten-free section, then I'll put a link to Schar's website in the comments below, and you can buy it direct from them. If you were told to stay off the gluten by Dr. Wallach, like I was, or you were gluten intolerant due to celiac or other digestive issues, these pizza crusts are worth checking out. For an at-home pizza, those are hard to beat. Many of the frozen pizza companies, as well as the national pizza chains, are all developing their own brand of gluten-free pizzas, and we will review those in the future. Until then, give these a try. We think you'll like these a lot. So thank you all for watching. And if you're a burrito fiend like me, then you got to check out this video right here. And if you want to see our review of gluten-free flour tortillas, check out this video right here. And we'll see you all next time.